Hello everyone, this is Hina from Soulful Adventures, and today I'm back with our next tarot card reading session for the month of July 2020. It's an official Cancer season and I'm happy to be into this season. It's a very emotional, sentimental, sensitive season which is going to affect, of course, the water signs, especially the Cancer and other signs also. We have Mars in Aries. We have stopped living in the Venus retrograde. So Venus retrograde has been stopped, and yes, Mars in Aries till January. So bigger changes are going to come. I'm here to ask you whether you have subscribed to my channel yet or not. If not, please subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Not only tarot, I am also doing the personality traits of all the zodiac signs, so it would be easy for you to understand your zodiac signs, the personality, the strength, the weakness, and then come and look or identify your proper moon sign, sun sign, which is going to affect you more, and which readings are more accurate, which behavior is more accurate to you, and then go through my tarot card readings. And yes, please like, comment and share these videos. Thank you. So let's see what are the cards for our next zodiac sign, and that is Capricorn. Capricorn, being an earth sign, is very determined, very hardworking. They are very, I can tell you, very practical in their way of doing things. They are, they don't have that emotional, factor to them as much as Taurus or Virgo has, being an earth sign. But yes, they do think very deeply. They are always seeking for validations, whether they are doing good things, and is this a thing they are doing correctly, or is it really helping you, though they will be putting their 100% efforts in that thing. Okay, so let's see what Cancer season July month has brought to them, and what are the messages they need to listen, what is the situations going to come for them. So I'll just give a shuffle little more, and then I will draw some cards for you guys, and then we will begin our reading. Okay, so I will draw some cards for you guys. Okay, okay, I hope you are able to see the cards properly. Okay, so these two cards, the Devil and Ace of Wands, is your past energy. Now this past energy can be your 15 days earlier, or a month of June, what energies you had or what situations you had in the past, and which has resulted in your current scenarios. So this, the Chariot and Ten of Wands, is your present scenarios or present situations you may have to deal with, or present energies universe wants you to give the message that how you should deal with it, right? Nine of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles is your future energies or future situations that you might have to deal with. So let's start with our past energies, what you have already been passed and how you dealt with it. Okay, so let's begin with the Devil. The Devil is a card, guys. In the past, you realized that there was a time to leave all the bad habits, all the bad thoughts, the negativity, the toxic energy, and that is going to give you a new way or new beginning, right? Exact meaning of these two cards is to throw away, to let go the jealousy, the negative vibes, the past, the heartbreaks, the lessons which you used and now they're of no use, or I can tell you the grudges, the bad habits, laziness, all these negative vibes, just you realize it's only way to let them go, and that's going to give you a new beginning. So somewhere in the month of June you were having a trouble, maybe you were not feeling that freedom. You always thought that there is someone or something that is holding me back, and that was nothing but your own negative thoughts and your own negative vibes or negative thinking, negative judgments. I can tell you, a toxic person in your life or a toxic thing in your own head, which was just holding you back from it, right? And as it is, June was a month of many changes and many planets retrograding. Then there was eclipse and all those things, the new moon. I can tell you, it was really a very difficult month, right? To understand, again, a Gemini season, a difficult sign to understand, a difficult month to understand, but still you managed very well, right? Capricorn is an energy who are really very much introverts and grounded, and it's difficult to understand them. Sometimes they're not expressive as other signs. That's more of a worry, and you yourself realize that you need to throw off this business of negative things and start with a new life, new beginning, new way of thinking, new way of doing things. And that's where Ace of Wands came into picture. So in maybe last few days, maybe after eclipse, you realize that there should be some new beginnings, new births, new ideas that should be created, and that's the only way to change this shift of energy, to get adjusted with this energy. And that's the reason you realize, leaving back the negative things, I need to start something new, and you did it. And it is regarding or related to your passion, it's related to your spirits, whether a new job, new business, or maybe you are also finding some interest in love life. I can get this vibe, because all this negative thinking or negative judgments you had, the period of Venus retrograde also made it difficult checking on your love life and all those things. And now all those phase has been passed, and you are moving ahead. Why I tell you that? Because your present cards is the Chariot and 10 of Wands. See, as I always tell, your past actions will lead to your present actions, and your present actions will lead to your future actions. So in the past, when you realize that negative things is not serving me any useful right now, so I need to end those and start a new beginning. And once you have started this in June, okay, once you started this in June, you realize I need to move ahead, and that's the Chariot does. So the Chariot is an energy who tells you that you need to move ahead little fast. Now it's a no use of staying back, there is no looking back. Now you have already decided in the month of June, now it's a time to move ahead with all the tools. With this Chariot, you just have to look forward, plan, execute according to your plan, and look forward and move ahead. Chariot also means that there can also be a shift of residence, maybe in a new home, or you are planning to buy a new home at a new location. It can also mean victory over a problem which you were having before. Okay, it's a sign that you have victory, or you are now satisfied or contented from the those negative things which have already gone. It also means that you need to balance the opposite polarities, the opposite vibes, that is negative and the positive vibes. When you did this self-analysis and learning from it and going forward and starting something new in past, this time you need to check what things are good for you, what things are bad for you, balance them, and then move ahead. So this is the time where execution plays role. So in the month of June you planned, in the month of July you need to execute it. Okay, you have also one energy or one card, that is 10 of Wands. Now what 10 of Wands means? Wands always expresses the spirits, the passion to do things, but 10 it means completion. after so much struggle to acquire your success, to acquire that goal regarding your passion, the hobby, the new business, the new job, the new project, the new love, finally you are ready now to keep all those things aside, to move all those burden, to move all this stress aside, to throw this stress aside and move on. So in this month, when this both cards come, the chariot and 10 of wands, I would advise, or I would suggest you that all the stress you had before, all the I can tell you moments which made you more stressful, just keep those things aside and check all the consequences and then move on. Okay, that's what I feel you need to do currently in few weeks of July, while our future cards are 9 of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles. Now future cards can be last week of July and first week of August, because that's the Leo season gets started. So when 9 of Pentacles come, it's all about self-love. See, when you, it's a very connected thing, guys. You planned to move on, you planned to start a new beginning by leaving all the negativity in the past and no traces of it, by unattaching you, by enjoying the freedom of running ahead of all those past and all those negative things and beginning something new with all the charge in your hand, and then moving forward without looking back, with all the consequences already checked, and then moving all this tension, all this stress aside, putting those stress aside and completing your task. In future, if this goes well, if you really work on how to move ahead and put your stress back, you will get this situation that is a peace of mind situation. When 9 of Pentacles come, it means contentment. It means you are very much happy with your work, with yourself. You don't need any validations from anybody. You have your one hand on your own pentacles, that is your own material world, the money, the health, everything in check, and you are also enjoying this harvesting time. This is the fruit bearing time. So whatever you have invested presently, it will give you a pleasant harvest in future. It's about self love. So in future there would be a condition or a situation where you would be enjoying the fruits you sown the seed today, right? So you need to focus on present to get this scenario, this situation in future. And self-love is really much important, and it's beautiful to start having self-love, especially in a, it's really beautiful to have self-love energy, especially into the Leo season, because that's the easy season. It's a season of happiness, it's a season of innocence, friendships, social gatherings and all, and that's really beautiful to have this happy and positive vibe you need to enjoy, guys. So yes, if this goes well, if today is what you really execute well, this is your future, the happy, the content, the peace of mind future. You also have 4 of Pentacles, which is money improvements and money coming your way. Exactly. So obviously this is a very obvious condition, friends, I feel, because you are moving ahead presently with Chariot. You are working hard and putting aside all this stress, and if you execute this plan currently in a present few weeks in July properly, if you are happy, you are contented, when the situation will come when you are very much stable with your money, when there is more profits, when there is more business, when there is more money coming to you, maybe more incentives coming to you, or whoever has lost their job getting new jobs, or whoever has had some problems with finances or money, they are getting a good amount of returns right now. They are, if you can see, he is very stable person with the pentacle, with his money to himself, and yes, there is a money improvement, right? This is a stability card, a financial stability. So if you are putting all the efforts today and how to go forward without looking back is what you do today, then this is the situation, the peace of mind and the financial stability. So that's all for it's really very easy for Capricorn. I am having this good energy or good vibe right now for Capricorn, because whatever readings I had for Capricorn for last few months, they had really very if I just recollect, they have really very difficult energies for last few months. They had a struggle situations in the past, right? It was really difficult to understand for them. It was kind of a stuck vibe. They were stuck somewhere, and now I'm really very happy. Finally, they are coming out of, or they have come out of this stuck situation, started a new thinking, new idea, new creation, and they're moving forward without any stress. Then they're gonna get this peace of mind. They are going to have this money improvements. And we have a beautiful card as your overall energy, and that is Queen of Pentacles. So when you guys get Queen of Pentacles, it's about creating a new whole world. It's about creating something bigger. If you see, she is very patiently and keenly looking into this pentacle. So this is also a card of investment, very mature card. It's not only about ladies, it's also about a male. So a feminine energy within you, for men also, for feminine also, it's a feminine energy, protecting, caring your money, investing your money properly, not spending on any non-essential things. It's an energy where you are looking forward to carve something beautiful with limited resources, to protect yourself, to protect your family, to care about them, to save, to invest, right? So that's the whole energy we have for the Capricorn, and we will meet in the next month with the new readings of Leo season. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.